We're here at CanJam. It did rain out a little bit today and it was like a hurricane. It was great and I was soaked, but I dried up because it's nice, hot, and sunny.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful out. So let's go around and let's take a look at some of these cars here.
I get so lost sometimes. Days pass and this emptiness fills my heart. When I want to run away, I drive off in my car. But whichever all my instincts, they return. The grand facade so soon will burn. Without a noise, without my pride, I reach out from the inside. In your eyes, the light, the heat, your eyes, I am complete. Your eyes, see the doorway, your eyes, the thousand churches, your eyes, the resolution, your eyes, of all the fruitless searches. Oh, I see the light and the heat. Oh, I wanna be that complete. I wanna touch the light, the heat I see in your eyes. Love, I don't like to see so much pain, so much wasted, and this moment keeps slipping away. I get so tired working so hard for our survival. I look to the time with you to keep me awake and alive. And all my instincts, they return. And the grand facade so soon will burn. Without a noise, without my pride, I reach out from the inside. In your eyes, your eyes, your eyes, in your eyes, your eyes, the light, the heat, your eyes, I am complete. Your eyes, I see the doorway, the thousand churches, your eyes, the resolution, your eyes, of all the fruitless searches. Oh, I see the light and the heat. Oh, I wanna be that complete. I wanna touch the light, the heat I see.
and let's take a walk and show you what we got. Check this out, guys. We got this Hot Wheels racetrack set up. You come down here, pick your car, we will race you from the top right down the track to the end. We're all set up. Got lots of Hot Wheels to pick from. All you do is come over, pick one, and if you win, you get to keep it. If you lose, you get to re-race it. We'll give you an idea. We got lots of cars showing up here. Everybody's coming out. The sun came out, and people are definitely showing up. So, let's take a quick look. I'm parking cars still. People are coming in. So, if I gotta go quickly, I gotta go quickly. But we're all set up. We got detail garage back here. We got a registration booth set up. Route 24 Auto. We got Tim here from RPM Magazine. We got Joe and Carrie here from De Silva Racing. And we have some beautiful rides. Very beautiful cars, guys. If you're not here, you should come out. We got Lightning McQueen. He just showed up for the kids later on. So the gates are opening up at 12, which is right now. So the gates are open. CanJam is open. People are going to come in. We got food. We got drinks. We got live entertainment. It's going to be a great day. The car show goes till 4 o'clock, so if you come in, it's $20 to get in. All the registration fees get donated to Help a Child Smile charity, the Kids with Cancer at McMaster Hospital. It's a fantastic charity to be a part of. And if you see, we are filling up. Inside, the bar is open. The grill is grilling. We got food. We got a show. Here's the team here. We're taking care of registration. We got Tom and Sydney. We got Joe. Gary's here with Lightning McQueen. Say hi to the world, buddy. Hey. Or to the 2 people that are watching right now, but that's okay. We got Lightning here for the kids, getting all shined up. And this is all makes, all models. So whatever you got, bring it out. It'll be a great time. Lots of fun here. So if you're in Brantford or if you're around the area, come on down. We're at 12 Catherine Avenue in Brantford. We're in West Brant. You just got to go over the bridge, and we are the second light on the right. Come on out, come and join us. It's going to be fun. You know, I've been here since 7:30 setting up. We've had every kind of thing you could think of, but the weather is great. Like, it's really opening up here. It's turning out to be a beautiful day. Sometimes you can't believe all the weathermen. They're the only ones that can actually lie to you every day and get away with it. Well, them and the government anyways, but we're not going to go down that road. This is a car show. But guys, come on out. Come and support Help a Child Smile charity. We're going to be here all day. I think we're going to be here until like 8 o'clock tonight, but the car show does end at 4. It's $20 registration. Come on in. It's going to be a fun day. Anyways, Danforth United, I got to get back to work here, but we're going to be doing some Hot Wheels drag racing pretty soon. So come on out. It's going to be fun. Bye, guys.